Hi friends, in this video we're going to discuss about fundamental data types versus immutability. I have a small doubt. What are fundamental data types? Yeah, I already said int, float, complex, bool, string. These are fundamental data types. What is the meaning of immutability? Mutable means changeable. Immutable means non-changeable. That's it. All fundamental data types are immutable. Here, what is the meaning? Once we create an object, we can't perform any changes in that object. If we trying to perform any changes with those changes, a new object will create. This non-changeable behavior is called immutability. Example, if I'm taking x equal to 10, everything in Python is an object. We covered already in my last video. X is a reference variable, 10 is an object. For every object, address is there. How to see the address of an object? id function is there. Already I mentioned you print of id of x. Okay, let me show you. Here I took x equal to 10 and print id of x. This is the object address. Okay, now assume I'm going to change the value of x equal to x plus 1. Now the address is changed. The previous address is going to the garbage collection. Okay, because of this what will happen, don't tell 10 is replaced by 11 because x plus 1 is 10 plus 1 11. It is not replaced. Once we create an object, we can't perform any changes in that object. You clear, right? This address is we can't change in this object. If we trying to perform any changes with those, a new object will create. The new object address is this one. The old one is eligible for garbage collection because no reference available variable because x equal to x plus 1 is now available. Okay, this non-changeable behavior is nothing but immutability. Now I will give one more example to get much clarity in this topic. X equal to 10, the same thing. X equal to 10, x is point to 10 and y equal to x. Now y is also pointing the same object 10. Okay, if you trying to print id of x, it will show one id. The y also same object because we have only one object. Okay, if I am mentioning y equal to y plus 1, now I am taking y plus 1. If you're trying to perform any changes with those change, compulsory a new object will be created. Now totally two objects. S is pointing to 1, y is pointing to y plus 1. That is 10 plus 1 equal to 11. Okay, I will show you that also. Print of x is 10, y 11. Okay, and also the id also changed. This is immutable. Please make sure all the fundamental data types like int, boolean, float, complex, string, both are immutable. Once we create an object, we can't perform any changes in that object. If you are trying to perform any changes, with those changes a new object will be created. This non-changeable behavior is nothing but an immutability. Okay, if you like this video, please click like, share to your friends and subscribe this channel.